Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Elance, and this we're going to be, I guess, envelope review or something like that. I don't even know what it's called, but I'm just going to put unboxing for it because that's pretty, like, known. So we're going to be reviewing a product by Gamer Goo. So if you don't know what Gamer Goo is, it's a brand new company that sells gamer grip, basically. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and open it real quick, which it's already opened. So the first thing you get is a nice little flyer, or like little advertisement for their website, what it's made for, what it's used for, and different scents available. And the promo code upgrade to save 10% off, which is pretty cool. Next we have the actual scents itself. So we do have, we do have this one I opened, which I tested it right now, but it's cinnamon. Which, right there, cinnamon. I didn't test out, but we have peppermint. Get this in the picture. There we go. And then we also have orange. So basically exactly in the picture. So we have those three. We tried out one. I'm gonna save the peppermint for last, but I got some on my hand right now. But all you want to do is just rub it on your palm. Oh, this one's leaking. You're just gonna rub it on your palm. You're gonna get a lot more than this. It got on the wood. I don't think that's bad. Oh well. It smells like cinnamon now. Alright, so yeah. Peppermint, Gamer Goo, or sweat reducing, grip improving, and everything on the back. And then follow them on those 3 sites. Sample. So this is a sample. So as I said, this was not sent to me by Gamer Goo. Well, it was, but not for review. I just like doing reviews, and like I said in the beginning, I just needed more videos to upload. So anyway, those are the other 3 versions. These are the official versions. Like, I forgot how much they hold, but that's what they are. These are the sample packs, the sample trio. I think they go around for like $3 on their site. You can check it out, and you also get a discount code by using code upgrade for 10% off. So use that. It's not my code, but it's 10% off, so might as well. Also, don't, like I said, don't apply it to this part of the skin. It makes it a lot dried, and it leaves, it just hardens your skin. It feels weird. Alright, so, but it does smell very amazing. Like, not gonna lie, it smells really good. I can still smell the cinnamon. I'm gonna also try out orange tomorrow. I'll be doing a live stream tomorrow as well. And then I'll be trying peppermint on Sunday. So, Saturday for orange and peppermint Sunday. And then we're gonna try out the rest of the cinnamon. So, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and of course subscribe. Make sure you use code upgrade.